Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. That looks really gross. So I figured I would actually just vlog today. I was supposed to go to Menards with my dad to look at shelving for one of the rooms in my house, but I think he forgot about me. So anyway, I'm just gonna go to Pier One Imports. I think I'm maybe gonna get Starbucks, but I just want to bring you guys along. I think I'm just gonna bum around at Pier One Imports. They're like going out of business, unfortunately for them, but they're having some crazy clearance. So if I find something really good, I'm gonna have to purchase it. Yeah, let's go. I'm actually wearing, show you guys my outfit here. I'm wearing, this whole outfit's actually from Pretty Little Thing. So this top and bottoms, I'm actually gonna change my jeans because these are just like too baggy and like the whole outfit is just too high contrast for me. Like I'm having a really hard time looking at myself. But anyway, I'll be right back. All right, so I just got in my car. I also changed. These are my jeans now. That's not a nice angle. Anyway, I just got out of the shower too, like an hour ago. So my hair is just really frizzy. I feel like I look really fashuffled. But anyway, so I'm gonna go. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get Starbucks. Like I'm really trying to save my money. I haven't like got that in forever. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go to Pier One Imports first. But my car really needs a car wash. So we're gonna see if I get that as well. Okay guys, I just showed up to Pier One Imports and they don't open until noon. So there is a Starbucks right by Pier One Imports. It's currently 11:30. I don't want to go. I think I'm gonna go to Pier One Imports first because I know what I want to get at home, like the place I went to yesterday with Vanessa. But again, like I don't want to, you know, Pier One Imports might have like the same thing but cheaper because they're going out of business. So I'm just like, okay, I'll just wait. And like, why not? I have some extra time. Okay, I definitely thought it was noon already. Like, I guess I just woke up like super early this morning. I woke up at like 6:30, showered, edited a video, like did everything already. So the world is just sleeping right now. This line is insane, but I'm gonna wait in it. Okay, so I made it back to Pier One Imports. As you guys can see behind me, it is literally only 11:45, so that line took about 10 minutes. I didn't park in the front because like I don't want them to think, you know, like, oh, I need to be here. Because again, like, I don't know. That was the biggest waste of time ever. I'm just gonna go to at home. Luckily, it's literally a block away. So Pier One Imports has been run through. There's literally nothing in my interest there. So like I said, I'm just gonna go to at home. Luckily, like I said, it was literally a block away. So that's good. So these are the pillows I looked at yesterday. And then of course we have the cowhide. Okay, I splurged and got the two. I got this furry one and I got this one. I think Vanessa's gonna be really proud of me. Honestly though, this one is really pretty though too. I think it would go really nicely. Would it? I'm not sure. Okay, so I added these two. These are only $10. Not sure how much this one is. I assume the same price. 14, but this one's smaller. That don't make sense. Okay, if I can say that was pretty successful, like that was actually really good. I didn't think I would get all of them, but if you guys have seen my last vlog, I just love the whole concept. So like we have a finished basement and I really want it to just be like the coziest hangout spot ever. First of all, I'm always cold and I just want it to be like so, just cozy is the word, like so many blankets, just so like a really deep couch, like a little L couch, and I love the color scheme. So I wanted to do, so it's gray downstairs. So I wanted to do black, white, like this off tan color, very washed out, and I think it's gonna look so good, and almost like this coffee bean brown. Hi guys, so it is currently Tuesday, August 11th, so I can't remember when the last time it was that I vlogged, but I'm with Vanessa again, and we're just gonna go to Target. She's gonna get some candles, and again, I might as well just look around for my house and ideas. I wanna get a circle mirror. So maybe not today, but I want to look at them and compare prices. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're in the quilt section. I like this blankie and I like these. Those are only like 20 bucks. Oh, and that one. Look at this. $90 though? No thanks.
Dude, this is beautiful.
Yeah, I love that like sage green.
Couch against the window, you can have this like, you know, kind of hang over.
Yeah.
It'd be really nice.
But I do already have a white one. Smells like a man.
Yeah, you make those ones.
Oh, that smells good. Hey guys, so it's currently the next day. It's Friday and I have my house inspection today. So hopefully I'm gonna bring you guys along. I know I probably can't film. I mean, it is my house, but I'll try to give you guys a little sneak peek, just a few rooms. So this is the living room. I'm sure you guys will be seeing a bit more of my house, but obviously for safety reasons, I'm not trying to show you guys the entire house right away. This is our kitchen, pretty updated, a very small galley kitchen, but nonetheless, I'm super happy. We have an entirely updated house, which is exactly what we were looking for. Because I work at home, I did not want to have to put a bunch of time and effort into the house. I just wanted to focus on decorating, and that's about it. But we could not be more happy with this house. Like, we are so excited. Alright guys, so it's currently Saturday, I believe maybe 12th or 13th of September, and so that means we close in just a few days, so like 5, yeah, I think it's 5 days. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here after this trip. I'm gonna go to Michael's and At Home, and I'm just gonna bum around. I'm going by myself, like I said, it is the weekend, but I like to just be independent these days, and Brian's staying home with the dogs anyway. So I'm just gonna go to Michael's, see what I can pick up there, maybe Bed Bath & Beyond as well, and then I'm just gonna end this vlog. We have a plethora of items in the garage, like stuff is just stacking up, so I'll have to show you guys that at the end. But yeah, let's go. Whew, alright guys, so as promised, I'm finally here to show you. I look so bad, I just woke up from a nap. But anyway, it is like 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna show you guys what we all have, what has come. It's a lot of stuff. Like, why does my lip look like swollen? So first things first, we have 2 dogs, as you guys know. One of our priorities, well, a lot of our priorities are the dogs. So my dad is going to be installing the fence. We already have a full fenced in backyard, but there's just one spot that needs to be put up. So he's gonna be doing that. This right here is the shelving that we'll be putting in the basement. This is our huge rug for the living room. And we come around here, that is my dad's Christmas stuff, but this is our kitchen table. This is part of like our bed set. I have a bunch, an absolute insane amount of clothes here. These are all clothes, you guys. Oh my god, I cannot. My dad made this one for us, so this is where our little like mini Christmas tree goes on. This is all my makeup, more sheets, random stuff like that. That is what I bought today at Bed Bath & Beyond. More clothes and hangers. That's my lighting setup for YouTube. I have a bench right there that you'll see when I walk in. All that stuff in the back is like pillows, blankets, lots more stuff from Amazon. This will be going in my office. Both of those boxes. These are for our kitchen table. And I have Miss Lucy with me. Hi puppy, are you a good girl? You are a good girl. Okay, okay. So that is just an overview of what we have. We have the last part of my bed frame, a big mirror and another Christmas tree and the storage unit still, but I brought a lot of this stuff home on Friday, and then Brian and I made 2 trips again and brought some more stuff home today, and that is pretty much it. You guys, I'm so excited to move, and I'm literally, it's like 4 days away. So 4 or 5 days, I'm so excited to have my own place like this. And it's like not even real to me. It's like, oh, like I've already rented an apartment and lived on my own, but I'm like, this is a house. I will own this house. So that's pretty crazy to me. I can't wait to continue to update you guys. I will be vlogging the entire process, decorating, all that stuff, moving in. So make sure you're subscribed and your notifications are on. I will see you guys in my next video.